Martin, do you think you will ever stop smiling after this?
After this is very big, you know. But also we were well prepared. I think, you know, everybody was all in. Doesn't matter what I can tell them, that they just focus into the core and we fight and we defense, we rebound very well, and everybody gives something on the court. This is very important.
You had a good run just in the start of the game. Do you think that you were very well prepared for that?
I think we got one speed more than them. I mean, I respect a lot Coward. They are the best team, great players. Finur, great coach. Is one of my best friends also here in the country as a coach. But man, I think today was not about who is who. You know, Coward know us, we know Coward, and it was a one game. Maybe we play tomorrow and we lose, but tonight we won. This is the more important thing.
Everyone was maybe waiting for some run with Coward at the second or the fourth quarter, but that never came. Were you prepared for that?
I mean, we was just talking about defense. Every time out, every small thing is guys defense. No matter who shot the ball, no matter who, it's just defense. And everybody was in the same page. This is very important to me as a group, and according to my experience, now it's my second trophy. Denmark and here, second cup, is if we are all in the same line, the same page, everything is possible.
First title for Tindastóll. You have been here for some time. This must be a mission accomplished.
Of course, and we are gonna just enjoy the moment. You know, we are not gonna think in the future, nothing. Just enjoy this moment. Everybody, people from Sada Krokur, team, all together. Just enjoy, because we are a very big family.
Is this first of many?
I will not talk more about the future. Just enjoy tonight.
What do you think will be in Söderkrókur when you come there tonight?
Okay, we will try to do something.